is indeed. We'll have a look in a minute. We'll have a look in a minute. We'll go around in the correct order.
It looks slightly different, but yeah, it's the same.
There's a sword up there, right at the top.
So did you spot the sword up there? And how about the sorting hats just around the corner? So we're about to see it from this angle. You had to head over to the other side of the sword.
Where's the pixie?
So what's this say when you're looking for the pixie? What's the instructions?
See the second
So staircase into the office. So do you remember how Harry gets into the office?
he has to go he has to stand on the stairs that go to the birds, so they'll be there.
I think if you head back and look just around the corner, we'd have the entrance around there. Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't matter where you stand, you're always going to be in somebody's way. Okay.
Have you had a good day? What's been your favourite thing you've seen so far? Did you like the Great Hall with all the lights? Colourful lights, yeah. Have you watched all the movies yet? No. Have you watched the first one?
First three, haven't you?
Oh. I think the second one's the scariest with all those big spiders. Were you scared of them or are you brave?
You started watching the fourth one and it was too scary for you, weren't it? So you're not ready for anything beyond that.
Do you remember in the second one when Harry sees the snake and he has to fight the snake, the big basilisk, and he has a sword of Gryffindor? So if you have a look up in that case, you may need to move it back a little bit, but you'll be able to see